Hello everyone, my name is Andy and today we're doing a Budge Tech review. We're going to cover something that doesn't cost a whole lot of money but something you might actually like. And today we're going to be looking at the Nulaxy ML12 wireless mouse. Right at the moment this is about $8 on Amazon, and there will be a link in the video description down below if you want to go check it out for yourself. But in the meantime, we're going to get a quick review of this and see just how good it actually is. Inside the box you get the mouse, of course, you get the instruction manual, and you get the Nulaxy warranty card to give you information on setting up your warranty for this mouse. The mouse runs on the standard AA battery, and hidden underneath the lid of this is where the USB sensor is stored so that you can keep it with the mouse at all times. Just slides in and out, real easy to keep track of. Doing a side-by-side comparison between the Nulaxy wireless mouse and a standard USB mouse, you can see that it has a little bit of a smaller profile. It's roughly about the same size and width, but it doesn't stick up near as much, so it's a little bit slimmer. And the mouse is super quiet, and I'll show you a quick comparison between the click sounds between a standard USB mouse and the Nulaxy mouse. Setup is incredibly simple. All you have to do is plug the USB receiver into your laptop or computer, and Windows will automatically recognize it and install the correct drivers. No software to download, no other options needed, and it is ready to go. Using the DPI button on the top of it, you can easily switch between 1250, 1500, and 1800 DPI, which will give you a lot more precision and control with the mouse. And it connects to your computer by a 2.4 GHz wireless connection, so you have a range of about 10 meters from wherever you have it plugged in and still have a good connection. The ML12 also has an auto power off feature, so if you disconnect the USB receiver from your computer, after a moment the mouse will shut itself off, or if you turn the computer off entirely, it will disconnect and turn the mouse off to conserve battery life. And then of course, to continue using it, you just plug it back into your system as you had it, give a mouse button a single click, and you'll see that it turns it right back on and it is ready to use. And this is actually a really good mouse for your traveling needs here too. So once you're done using it at home, all you have to do is just disconnect from your computer, make sure to put the USB receiver back into its bay underneath the lid of the mouse. It'll automatically power itself off after just a moment, then you can throw it in your laptop bag, take it on the way, and you are good to go. The mouse has a matte black finish to it, so it's not super glossy. It has a little bit of gloss around the trim of it, so it'll show a little bit of fingerprints, and of course the longer you use it, the dirtier it's going to get, and it'll show more smudges the longer you use it. But it also has a real slim ergonomic design to it, so it fits really well in your hand without being too large or too small, so it makes it easy to use for long periods of time without causing cramping or anything in your hand. So that concludes my review of the Nulaxy ML12 wireless mouse. I think it's a really good quality mouse considering it's only $8. Again, the link will be in the video description if you want to go check it out and get one of your own. But you know, it'll replace the mouse I've been using on my laptop for the last several years. So if you have any questions, do drop it in the comment section down below and I'll see if I can help you up. If you find the video useful, do me a favor and hit that thumbs up button down below the video, and be sure to subscribe if you're not already so you don't miss out on future videos. Thank you so much for your time. You have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later.